Hi, I'm Lacey Summers with Bella Casa Real Estate Group, and I'm excited to bring you a real estate market update for the Portland Metro region of Oregon. I'm going to talk a little faster this time because I just recorded one for 10 minutes and nobody's going to watch one that long. So I'm going to cover just some highlights of national and local stats. And then if you want any more in-depth info, let me know. I love to give more in-depth info. So the reason I'm sharing this is because I'm going to start doing this monthly to keep people updated on what's happening in our local and national real estate markets and kind of contrast those. So right now, what's coming out nationally is a cooling of the market. So everything's just been wild and crazy in real estate, and we're starting to see a little slowdown. So let's get into that. Share my screen. So this is a report that our local MLS provides us. So it just came out 2 days ago. It's covering last month. And here are the highlights. New listings decreased 13.3% from last month in July. Pending sales increased 5.4% from last month, July. Closed sales decreased 6.4%, and inventory increased, yay, to 1 month supply. Still very, very low. So typically 4 to 6 months worth of supply is what's considered healthy and balanced, neither a buyer's or seller's market. So we've been in a strong seller's market, less than 1 month worth of homes to satisfy demand. And we just went up to 1 month. Now compare that to nationally, there's 2.6 months supply on average nationally. And then average sale price has increased 18.5%. So that's a lot. That is a lot. Let's look at a few smaller markets in Yamhill County. Year to date, average sale increase or price increase 16.8%. And looking at the inventory, we're at just about 1 month supply exactly. 158 active listings, and last month 153 sold. So we're at 1 month. Let's look at Tigard Wilsonville. They have a 14.9% year-to-date average sale price increase, and they have less than 1 month supply. Closed 254 last month and only have 169 currently on the market. We look at Oregon City, Canby area, they saw an 18.4% increase, and they have a little bit more than 1 month supply. When we look at active residential listings, what's on the market right now. So this red line is this year, 2021. Compared to years past, we're well below, and it looks like we have hit our peak and we're kind of coming down some for new listings. This one is interesting. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So new listings, red is this year, 2021, green is last year. So between this year and last year, we've peaked at the same point, July, and heading down some. But look at what happened in October of last year. We jumped up in the fall in October, and I see that it's very likely could happen again this year. Where there's a lot of talk about the fall market being very strong as the buyer traffic has slowed down a little bit, sellers getting a little more ready to sell, seeing the value and the terms they're going to get and the high pricing, the short time of being on the market. But anyway, this is an interesting graph. Let's shoot over to the national, some of these stats. So nationally, pendings decreasing. Remember, locally, ours actually increased. Showing time index. So this is showing that buyer traffic, going into homes, viewing homes, has decreased since, January, February, March period of time. Definitely gone down some, but it's on par with last summer. So this is last summer. And then the summer before that in 2019 was at 123. That's just the measure, the unit of measurement for showings. So decreasing, but still a strong amount. Percentage of homes selling over list price, 49.6% in July sold over list price. So 1 out of every 2 homes. Again, this is a chief economist, realtor.com. We see there could be a wave of real estate activity heading into the latter part of the year. I want to touch on affordability. So with the these price increases fueled by demand, affordability is decreasing. So it's taking a higher percentage of your monthly income to pay your mortgage. That has gone up some. So compared to January, was definitely more affordable than what it is right now, but it's going to continue. So for those kind of sitting on the sidelines thinking they're going to wait, homes will continue to increase, likely at a slower rate than they are now. So the forecasters are saying for 2022, they're looking at 5.5% appreciation. That's a big difference compared to that 14% nationally that we're seeing, or the 18% and 16% locally. But we see it's going to slow down some, but still be increasing. So now is the time to act. Rents are, this one was interesting, rents are sharply increasing. I could go on and on, but I'm going to pause there because I don't want this video to be too long. But the main points are that there is some cooling happening of the real estate market locally and nationally. Oregon is still very a hot state compared to most. Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Utah, some of the biggest activity in the nation going on. And then reasons to sell this fall is to take advantage of this historic opportunity to leverage these times, to sell for the highest price, to get the best terms, put you in a position to find your replacement property, give you time to do that. So we're doing some great things with sellers right now to maximize this time for them. So thanks for watching, and feel free to share this with a friend who's maybe thinking about making a move, or just take this as interesting info to stay abreast of what's happening in the market. Thanks for watching. Bye.